Achieving big goals can happen for you, but only if you show up prepared. Perhaps you're ready to grow your business, invest in a property, or fulfill your career aspirations, but it can be scary to think about, especially if you don't have a ton of support or you have to venture into the unknown to find your way. Today, we're going to talk about how you can become your own success story. Rest assured that your goal is attainable and you can do anything without stressing the whole way. First, I will encourage you to make a list of what needs to be done to achieve this goal and focus on one thing at a time. So let's say you want to get into medical school. What should be the first step? Researching the steps, researching the requirements. So we know you need some prereqs. Have you completed them? If yes, proceed. If no, time for more research. Where can I go to complete the missing classes? The feeling that the end goal seems so far away can cause anxiety. You want it badly and you're so ready to experience the finished product, but the amount of work leading up to it seems like more than you can handle. Instead of looking at the long list of to-dos or all the skills that you have to learn, look at each step as one accomplishment. Aim to complete each item one at a time before looking ahead to what's next. The what's next part can easily feel discouraging, and that's not what you need to push you through. Making a list may seem like a small thing to do, but knowing the steps is the number one thing you need to do before going anywhere. Are you going to leave your house and go to another city driving without the steps in between? No, nobody does that. Oftentimes, we tend to disregard the process, the middle part, which can be what then lies. Witnessing and acknowledging your progress is a great motivator. It shows you that all of your seemingly small steps add up to something huge. The second thing I want to share with you is for you to not let decisions hold you back. There are many decisions that require deep contemplation and time, but there are also some decisions that seem bigger than they are, causing a hold and preventing us from moving forward. When you come to a fork in the road and you have a decision to make or a problem to solve, take a step back and assess if A, your answer can be changed or modified later on, and B, will the issue prevent you from taking your next step? If you change your mind down the road, then make a quick decision and keep moving, knowing you can address and modify it later. If the problem or the decision is not something you need to solve right now, then don't dwell on it and keep working towards your very next goal. If you have to add this new hurdle to your to-do list, fine, but don't let it hold you back from continuing on. Third, let's take a moment to discuss the big F word, failure. Please, 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 I'm begging you, do not let this define you. Don't let curveballs throw you off your game. You're going to fail sometimes, and things might not go as expected. There will be bumps and rocks along the way for all of us. Detours are okay. So many times in life we will pivot, maybe unwillingly, but the end result turns out to be the exact thing you needed at the right time. Plus, when you're too rigid in the path that you expect to take, you may miss out on potential growth or life-changing opportunities. Are you a planner? I am a planner. So we can all have a plan, but also plan for change as well. We can keep our task list and our timeline somewhere where we can constantly be reminded. This allows for certain tasks to unexpectedly take longer than others, but doesn't mean that we won't hit our goal deadline. If something unexpected pops up, look at it as a meant-to-be challenge and tackle it head on so you can keep moving no matter what the detour looks like. If you have a dream that burns in your heart, there's a reason for it. So do not quit. Do not let your mind lie to you and tell you that you cannot do it or that you are not fit for it. Grab the tools we have discussed and march forward. If you're liking the content of this channel, let me know. Comment below what you wish to learn more of. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you again next time.